Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this video, we will be solving one exponential equation. Equation is 7 power x plus 4 power x equal to 4 power x plus 1 power x plus 1. Not only we have to find out real solution, but we have to conclude our mathematical statement using graph also, using calculus also, using first derivative test, second derivative test, maxima, minima, limits. On these basis, we will conclude our mathematical statements. Let's get started. I will start our problem with 2 points. One point is 1 raised to the power x plus 1. I will write 1 for all x belongs to real number. Point number 2, exponential property, it is 4 raised to the power x plus 1. Anytime we can write 4 into 4 power x. So let's apply first. 7 power x, 4 power x, 4 into 4 power x plus 1. Okay, take all the terms to left side. So 7 power x, 1 into 4 power x minus 4 into 4 power x. So minus 3 into 4 power x. Minus 1 is equal to 0. This equation is very important equation. We will consider this equation as fx when we will find out critical solutions, critical points. But before that, let us find out roots if possible by hit and trial method. That is also important. I am putting x equal to 1. 7 plus 4, 11 equal to 4 power 2. So 16, 16 plus 1, 17. 11 is not equal to 17. So 1 is not possible. Let me put x equal to 2. It looks like it will satisfy. 49 plus 16. 49 plus 16, 65. Let us check right hand side. 4 cube, 64 plus 1 square, 1. So 65. That means x is equal to 2, literally one solution. Just by hit and trial method, anyone can judge. Anyone can identify that x equal to 2 is the root or solution of this equation. Now, point is we have to make sure that this is the only solution. Except this, no real solution is possible. For that purpose, I will use calculus. I will use first derivative test, critical points calculation, second derivative test, conclude few points on the basis of limits, then graph we will see. Okay, let's start. X equal to 2. So that is our one real solution. Now what I am going to consider, I am going to put this equation as fx. First find out f dash x. So we know that the derivative of d over dx of a raised to the power x, a power x ln a, where a mod a is greater than 1. So if we will write this value, so we have calculated f dash x equal to 7 power x ln 7 minus 3 times 4 power x ln 4 by the formula. Now we have to find the critical point, put that value equal to 0. Simplify a bit. So 7 power x ln 7 will be equal to 3 times 4 power x ln 4. Divide both sides by 4 power x and ln 7. 1 by 1. So 7 power x divided by 4 power x equal to 3 times ln 4 over ln 7. Now I can write 7 power x over 4 power x as 7 over 4 whole power x equal to 3 ln 4 over ln 7. Now we know one property of log. A ln v can be written as ln v power a. So this 3 will go to the exponent of 4. So it will be ln 4 cube, that means 64, and this denominator ln 7 we will write as base. If you will find out the value of ln 64 base 7, then that value is exactly 2.1. This value is 2.1. Okay, let's find out the value of x now. So x ln, take ln again, 7 over 4 equal to ln 2.1. So x will be equal to, if you will calculate, then x will come out 1.36. So let's find out whether this point is making maxima minima or not. It will reflect maxima or minima or not. So for that purpose, I need to find out second derivative. Then I will conclude. Let's find out the second derivative. So again, 7 power x ln 7. So 7 power x, we will write 7 power x as it is. Ln 7 whole square this time, minus 3 times 4 power x ln 4 whole square. Now check f double dash x at 1.36. Now how I will check? By putting values. Let me write here 7 power 1.36. This value is 14.1. ln 7 1.94. 4 power 1.36. That value is 6.588. And ln 4, that value is 1.38. If I will put the values, then it is coming out 27.3. I have taken one decimal place, minus 27.227, like this. Means important point is this value is positive. So conclusion is, by that point, by this calculation, we can conclude x equal to 1.36 is our minimum. Now let's form few points. Limit function value when x tending to minus infinity. What is the function value? Function value means 7 power x minus 3 times 4 power x minus 1. If you will put x tending to minus infinity in this, so I will write like 1 over 7 power x. It is negative infinity actually. So that value will come out negative 1. This value will be 0. This value will be 0. So negative 1. That means at minus infinity, our graph is beginning from minus 1 level. So we can think of it that minus 1 level means minus 1 point. Rough picture if we can draw and see at 1.36 it is showing minima. Now let's check y-intercept, where our graph is intersecting y-axis. So for that purpose, I will put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, then that value is 1 minus 3 minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled out, minus 3. So that means our graph is intersecting y-axis at negative 3. And see, this point is negative 1. Okay. Now we can conclude two statements. Because of limit at minus infinity, its value is negative 1. I can conclude f dash x function would be monotonic increasing. Okay, is strictly increasing function when x is greater than 1.36. When x is less than 1.36, f dash x, you can check also if you want to check in the formula, in the f dash x expression, that value is negative decreasing function. So your graph is, I am coming to that part. See, this point is 1.36. It is acquiring minima here. This point is minus 3. Okay, and then after it is monotonic increasing function and intersecting x-axis at 2. This is the concern. So let's see the graph part also. You can see this point is -1, -1, and see graph is intersecting y-axis, y-intercept at -3. This is your minima at 1.36 or 1.357 it is, and then it is moving up. Why? Because of after that it is increasing function, and before that it is decreasing function. Before this point it was decreasing, and after that it is increasing and intersecting at x equal to 2. So 2 is the only point where our exponential equation is intersecting x-axis. So 2 is the only solution possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.